Planning an outdoor party? The right decorations can completely transform your space into a stylish, welcoming celebration zone. Whether it's a backyard birthday, garden brunch, or evening bash, these 15 decoration ideas will help you host outdoors in style. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a great theme for an outdoor party? Garden picnic, rustic farmhouse, boho chic, or tropical fiesta. All are easy to bring to life outdoors. Themes help guide your setup, coordinate colors, and add instant visual appeal to every setting. Planning a party soon? Save this theme inspiration for a head start. What's a creative way to use signs? Paint wooden boards with directions, drink menus, or welcome notes and place them around. They're functional yet decorative, adding a personalized feel and guiding guests smoothly. Save this idea for a personal and practical decor win. What's a fun way to decorate walkways? Line paths with mason jars filled with fairy lights, floral stakes, or mini chalkboard signs. It guides guests beautifully and adds whimsy and structure to open spaces or lawns. Want magical walkways? Save this for a glowing entrance or exit. What final touches pull it all together? Add fresh flowers in bud vases, background music, styled drink carts, or scent diffusers. It's the tiny details that bring charm, comfort, and cohesiveness to your outdoor gathering. Love a well-finished look? Keep this checklist for event polish. What kind of table setup works best outdoors? Use long wooden tables, floral centerpieces, runners with texture, and pastel or earthy tones. This layout feels both relaxed and elegant, ideal for shared meals under the open sky. Hosting a dinner? Save this table style to elevate your event. What DIY elements can be added? Painted pots, handmade signs, decorated jars, or ribbon streamers can add a personal touch. These pieces bring charm and originality without requiring a big budget or store run. Love DIY touches? This idea brings heart into every corner. What centerpiece ideas work best outdoors? Use potted succulents, wooden trays, vintage lanterns, or floating bowls with flowers. They're windproof, stylish, and blend beautifully with outdoor surroundings and lighting. Like simple centerpieces, these ideas are perfect and practical. What balloon ideas suit an outdoor party? Balloon arches, oversized helium balloons, or hanging balloon clusters add fun and vertical flair. These elements catch the eye from afar and make your party feel light, colorful, and festive. Save this for a balloon setup that really stands tall and festive. How to use rugs or mats in outdoor settings? Layer rugs under tables, lounges, or in seating zones for warmth, color, and grounding space. It brings comfort underfoot and adds style without building a permanent floor or stage. Want indoor comfort outside? This rug trick does it beautifully. How should you decorate seating areas? Use mix and match cushions, vintage throws, and wooden pallets for cozy, layered seating spaces. It creates a laid-back vibe and offers comfort for guests while keeping things effortlessly stylish. Love cozy corners? Bookmark this idea for your next outdoor setup. How do you decorate walls or fences? Hang fabric backdrops, string lights, paper fans, or cascading floral garlands across fences. Even basic spaces turn festive with textures and height, especially for photo-worthy scenes. Got plain walls? Try this to transform any space effortlessly. How do you use lighting for atmosphere? String fairy lights across trees, hang lanterns, or set out candles in jars or hurricane glasses. Lighting creates ambiance and keeps the celebration glowing even as the sun goes down. Partying past sunset? Keep this lighting plan in your toolkit. How do you decorate using nature? Use fresh flowers, branches, stones, and woven baskets as decor right from your surroundings. This makes your setup blend beautifully with the outdoor vibe while staying budget-friendly. Like natural elements? Use what's around to decorate with ease. How do you create photo-worthy corners? Set up a backdrop with props, string curtains between trees, or use decorated seating setups. Photo booths add interactive fun and encourage guests to capture and share special moments. Want Insta-worthy memories? Add a styled corner to your event. How can you decorate the food and drink area? Dress up tables with tiered trays, wooden boards, printed labels, and glass dispensers. It keeps everything visually coordinated while making serving look neat and inviting. Want stylish snacking areas? Pin this to your party checklist.